Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to get rid of the tiling and make the texture variation like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Okay, after that, let's create new project, select the person as template, and hit create. Now, let's go here to file, create new level, set basic level for now, and hit create. Okay, after that we have to go here to fab and search for grass. Okay, click enter and go here to material and texture, and let's use search for a grass material from tops, or filter set price for free. Want to show only free products. Okay, let's show this one, moss grass, and let's choose the highest quality as possible, raw quality. Add to my project. Okay, hit accept. Downloading is begin. Okay, fine. Let's close this. And let's return right here and save my current level. Hit save. Now, let's go right here to content and go here to material. Let's create a new material, texture variation. Empty. Yeah. Okay, texture variation. Empty. After that, let's make it right here. First thing first, let's go here and set texture codes. Now let's search codes. Okay, let's keep codes this cool. Now let's create multiply. Duplicate this one 3 times. Or here we have, what's this? Let's duplicate another one. Okay, fine. We have 3 multiplies. And let's duplicate this one 3 times, as you can see. Let's connect it one by one for the E, A. Okay, let's adjust some values for those multiplies. Okay, the first one is 0.0. So there 0.2. The second one 0.05. The final one selected 0.00. Okay, now let's create texture sample to add variation. And this texture sample we have to add a displacement texture for macro variation. Okay, for this texture you can get it from the link on the description. Okay, this is my texture macro variation. Okay, let's add it to the engine. Let's go right here and create new folder, MV, macro variation. Open it. After open it, let's go here. Where is my texture? This one. Okay, drag it in this folder. Fine. Now let's add my texture. There is several way to add it. You can click once here and click here. Okay, let's go here and search for TMV. Okay, this one. Search for T underscore MV. Okay, this is my texture. We have to duplicate it. two times. Another time. After that, let's plug here to the UVs. As you can see, the texture is changed right here. Okay, after that, let's add this node. Add node. Duplicate this one two times. Okay, plug the red channel for each one. After that, let's change this value, select this one and change it for 0.5 for each second one, 0.5, and the final one, 0.5. Okay, now let's add the multiply node from here for the A and B. Duplicate this multiply node and multiply it by this one. Now let's drag this one right here and let's add vector 3. Okay, constant 3 vector for the X and Y and Z. Okay, let's make it here 0.5, 0.5 for the green channel and 0.5 for the blue channel. The color is being gray. After that, now let's add a lerp, linear interpolation. Now let's plug this multiply to the to the alpha, sorry. And for the A, let's plug this channel. Okay, now let's add our texture. We have to go here to Fab, Megascans. And the textures that I downloaded previously, those textures. Okay, copy all of them, make it right here. Now let's make this one right here and let's create a multiply node. This for the A, for the B, our texture, our glass texture. After that, let's connect this one, basic color. Okay, now this one, normal to the normal. Okay, look at this, the color has changed. Now, this one is for the ambient occlusion. Okay. Okay, for the red channel is for the ambient occlusion, the green channel here for the roughness. Now, let's create a new variable for the specular. From what parameter? Spec. Okay, for the specular selected, and let's change the default value 0.1. Let's see. Okay, 0.05. Okay, I think it's good for now. Okay, let's see it works or not. Hit apply. Save all. Let's return here to my landscape. Delete this one. And let's create new landscape. Hit create. After that, let's return his selection mode. Select this one and go right here. I want to add our material right here in this place. Okay, how to add it? We have to go here to content and create a material instance right here. Like this material instance, this place. Okay, as you can see, there is a variation of the texture. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is the variation of the texture. Okay, as you can see, look at this variation of our texture. This looks nice. Thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.